So this video is going to be my 2020 room tour. I feel like that's all I need to say, so I'm just gonna start it. Okay, so here's the first corner of my room. There, I put wallpaper on that like strip of my wall. It's from Target. It's like one of their like wallpapers that is like a sticker, and you like just peel it off and you stick it to your wall. And then that thing is from Five Below, like a leaf thing. And then the thing below it is a like frame from Hobby Lobby that I put a bunch of stickers in. The Vogue poster I got from Redbubble. I should look up what Redbubble like shop it was and then like put it below. This is a collage I made. This flower vase poster thing or like canvas thing I found at the thrift store, and I thought that it looks cute, so I bought it. So this dresser is also from a thrift store. Oh, then I have a bunch of magazines on top of it. There's like Glamour, 17, Allure, Vogue. There might be more. The arrow I got from Walmart and then I painted it. The little like tassel thing, I made that. The XO, I got the letters from, I think, Michael's, and then I painted them gold. And then the United States outline I got from Target, and then I put a bunch of pictures on it and like glitter and stuff. The drawers that I have, they're from Michael's, but they're a knockoff of the IKEA Alex drawers that a lot of people have. Okay, then I have my wall that I tried to make a photo wall. Some of the pictures on there are from the calendars. Like I got like the dog calendars that you can see. There's some cat calendars somewhere too that I got out. And then a couple of them are pictures that I took, but most of them are pictures that I like found online and I went at Walgreens to print them out. I also have one thing up there that's like a mini poster that I bought from Redbubble. I should put the shop name somewhere here. And that's my bed. The comforter is from Target. The rainbow pillow is from Five Below. All of the other pillows, a couple of them are from Target. Most of them are from Walmart. Yeah. And a couple of them are from Five Below. Here's this corner of my room. So the thing next to my bed, that little shelf, I don't know where that's from. I've had it for a really long time though. It's like a little bookshelf thing. And then the thing where I hold my bags, I got this like wooden thing. I think it was from like Joanne Fabrics maybe. That's kind of random though. And then I got hooks and I got my dad to nail them in, and then that's where I hang my purses. And then those two little things that are next to the purse thing are from TJ Maxx, I think. And then the little collages on the bottom, I made those. I was like watching a manifestation video and they said to do that and then I did it. Okay, so the colorful canvas thing, I got a canvas from Walmart and then I went to the paint sample section and I got a bunch of them and then I glued them on to it, and I also added some glitter. This is my window, and then under my window I have more bookshelves like the one that's right next to my bed, and I still don't know where they're from, but in these things I hold like some perfume, some books. I hold all my shoes, and then there's just like some random things. Then we have my makeup vanity. I just organized the drawers, so I should show what's like inside of them because they're like the most organized I've ever been. This is the most organized it's ever been, so it looks pretty cute. Oh, this is my mask. I got it from like a nail salon, and in my mall the like nail salon had like a bucket of them that they were selling, but this is the other one. This one is more organized than it usually is too. The rest of them I didn't reorganize. So, oh wait, I actually did reorganize the nails, I think. I reorganized the nail drawer too. The lip drawer I think looks pretty bad right now, so I'm not gonna show that one. And then above my makeup vanity, the mirror is from Walmart. And then I have a bulletin board. I don't know where it's from, but I should update the pictures because I haven't updated them in a while. And then next to the bulletin board, I have a bunch of passes from like things I've been to. So yeah. So that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I add every single person back, and my goal of the year is at 30,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye.